Welcome, everyone. This is Chris from Christoph Joseph Leather, and boy, do I got exciting news to share today. Super excited to share this. But before I get to that, I just want to point out I'm here in this new workshop that I built at home, and I'm fully operational out of it now, out of my backyard, and that is so relieving. It's so nice to have this space. I was working in the house, working in the garage, but now I have more of a central location to work out of, and it's nice. So I'm going to do a video on that. Um, kind of a time lapse thing, kind of from the inception to the finished product, and then some of the machinery. I'll, point out what I got in here. So anyway, so what I wanted to share today is I'm launching my new Shopify page store, and so I'm loading it up right now. It's live, and I'm gonna put the link at the bottom of this post so you guys can check it out. But mainly what I'm selling there is patriotic leather gear, Christian faith-based kind of leather gear. That's kind of been my niche lately, and I've been getting a lot of requests for that. I do a lot of the Western stuff too, Western floral, things like that. I sell more of that on Etsy, but I kind of wanted to branch out and into this niche of doing the patriotic stuff, political stuff a little bit. And I'm a Christian, so I like to do stuff with Bible verses and crosses on them. And so that'll feature hand tooled and laser engraved products. So you'll have a little bit of option. And everything I make is custom. So if you see something you like, but you want to maybe change it a little bit or do something completely original, you just message me, email me, whatever. But that's the news I wanted to share, and I will try to post more often here. And go check it out. Thank you. Bye bye.